Find your place inside the fold. Perfect space within my hold. Keep them, save the words we've told.
Chris Hall.
Chris Hall?
Not Chris Hall. Is it a bit soon before soon?
Yeah, I've also decided to start racing track bikes, like all of a sudden, so.
Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to Hillingdon Cycle Circuit for Minet Crit 3.
2.5.
It might be 2, it might be 3. 2.5?
2.5. Minet Crit 2. Last year didn't count.
Dave?
Yeah.
Is she racing?
Yeah. I figure if she sits on my handlebars, I can race the women's.
She can do the steering?
Yeah. See, look, she's already a snot years old bit after the race.
She's going first, so.
You see Emmanuel's just giving you shit for having pasta before a race. Do you know what he's having?
What's he having?
He's got a sugar-free energy drink.
Oh, for Emmanuel.
Minotaur.
And you're the Italian. What the hell?
It's supposed to be a skin suit.
It's not my fault.
It is your fault.
Is it my fault?
For choosing it.
Probably my fault. I choose it.
So as usual at most fixed gear crits, there's going to be multiple races today. We've got A race and B race. A certain amount of people go through from each of those and it decides the grid position, so you get a whole day of racing. As a spectator, it's fantastic.
Why aren't you racing?
Because my arms are broken still.
Good excuse.
I was going to come and ask you for an Allen key to tighten up my pedals, but I'm not going to be putting out that much power. Would it make me go faster?
Yeah.
Well, I've done it up so much I can barely get out of mine, which or get in for that matter.
Well, I'm glad I'm not racing this race, I'll be honest. Mate, qualifier is literally 5 laps.
Yeah.
That's insane.
It's a brutal sprint fest.
It's going to be pretty quick. Are you just going to do this instead of racing?
Yeah. No matter what we do, we can't fill it. We can't. It just maybe it's got a hole in it. Dancing with it.
Is that really how you're supposed to do it though?
Big dildo.
Wow.
Good job. How did you do that? Magic.
That looked like fun.
Yeah, it's really fucking warm. It's fast, it's windy. It's good fun though.
John, did you through to the A's? Are you like?
Yeah, I sprinted, basically got in the front of the pack and then just rolled through the end right at the back. Yeah. Just straight through to A's.
5 lap race, you can, you could get caught out, it's so short.
Yeah, so I just rolled through, just got into the main race. So.
Black pudding usually rounds though. This is more like a sausage.
A ship, pirate ship.
Horrible.
Oh, black sausage.
Black pudding.
I really ran through like a...
Remember to attack from the gun.
I'm just trying to stay upright.
Remember to attack from the gun.
No chance.
Remember to attack from the gun, like we said, yeah? Yeah. Mate, what's your actual tactic?
Just try and get round.
Okay.
I still have broken bones.
It's actually my girlfriend's job.
Moo-moo.
Canteen mate from when I was in the SAS back in the day. We used to launch these out of planes and then catch them up when we dive down, parachuted.
Yeah.
Open the parachute and then let it go.
Halo jump.
Yeah,
okay.
but then open it again, get another one, just to make it harder. And then land on water.
So fucking hot. This is nice. Nice little dress you got on. Do you like
good,
it?
isn't it?
It's lovely.
Got a hole.
That's extra venting.
Oh yeah, well it is a hot day.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Intentional, just
Yeah, that's why.
make some more.
Chopped off the sleeves.
Have you actually?
Yeah.
Flow preferred, like pronouns, and they go down every single time. Got them in your town, and I know you're clown. Yeah, I duck them like some down. I don't need to ask you what you thinking now, but what you thinking now. Yeah, what you thinking? Yeah, I'm on the road.
Looking miserable.
Caught in the wild, the miserable Dick slowly stalks his prey.
What prey is he stalking?
He's stalking the happiness. Many times he's tried to catch the happiness. Many times he's failed.
I accidentally qualified. I thought I was going to get dropped. I've done hardly any training for about 2 months and I accidentally got through.
You zipped your jersey up for this interview.
I did.
You've taken this seriously.
I have. No more literal skin suit.
You're just checking there that you had like, what was underneath?
Was I actually like, yeah. No, a few more hairs on my chest after that one, so I've grown up a little in the space of 10 minutes or so.
Do it. Come over here. Do it. You got this. You got it. Ball out. Not yours. Mate, I was here the whole time. I went to stage for 5 minutes, and then you turn up. You think you just like button. You look like
I don't even care.
very Hawaiian.
I'm shooting you in 120 right now. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, you're never too far away. Yeah. No worries, I'm right here. And when you're gone, I'll probably still be here. When I go park, you're still my souvenir. You take me for a ride, I don't forget to steer. You hanging in the crib, bright as chandeliers. I'm hanging in the crib, I'm just like baby drool. I played the
How was that qualification?
It was hot, wasn't it?
Really hot.
Yeah.
And now it's even hotter.
I know.
You'll be pleased to know.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. 15 laps rather than 5. Let's go.
Attack from the gun?
Oh yeah.
Attack from the gun?
I'm gonna die!
So I'm guessing like no one's chasing that break.
Tell Juliet to ride faster.
I told Juliet to sit in, mate. There's no point in her blowing her legs up. No, you can out-sprint them, so just take third in a second.
Dave, I've got to give him this. I don't know what to do. Yeah, stop that cone. Smash it. Smash it up.
That's what she said, isn't it?
So it's pretty brutal conditions out here today. I don't really realise the gradient of Hillingdon until you ride it on a fixed gear. Usually it's sort of considered a flat race, but on one side of the course, you've got tailwind and downhill, everyone's spinning out, and then down this bit, headwind, everyone is grinding away.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I messed it up. I just messed it up.
You didn't mess it up.
I did. I came 5th. I was feeling really good. And the first 2 women went, and I felt like I could get round the outside, even though it was really early. So I tried, but it didn't work.
What are these choppers doing here?
How's it going? See you, mate. How you been?
See you, man.
It's been a while, man.
Oh my gosh, Levi Blue, love what you do.
Oh, fuck. Did you win? No,
Yeah.
I got the race winner's interview. Go away, you always get the good stuff. Don't talk to him.
I came over the line in the bunch for like right there, going up the hill, and that's not very far.
We saw you speed up on your last lap when you could see them.
I
Were
was
you
like,
trying to catch them?
do you think I can catch them? Probably not.
How long were you away for in total? Half an hour?
Well, there was a preem on the second lap, and I was like, why not? So I tacked in the bottom corner, and I got a gap, and then I just kept it going and going and going and going for the next like 14 laps.
Was there any point where you thought, oh, I'm not going to be able to sustain this? Or?
No, I stayed very positive.
Because you can always see them at the
yeah,
time.
and then if I couldn't see them, I'm like, shit, they're catching me, oh my god, what am I going to do? And then I'd see them, so it'd be fine.
Well, what a fantastic ride, congratulations.
Thank you.
So I'm not really sure what's going on. There seems to be just everyone standing around behind us in a big...
Oh, they're putting people on the grid.
Maybe don't put it up.
But there's like 4.
Maybe like.
Are you good? Yeah, there's like 1,500 people racing this race, so it's going to take a while. We'll just chill out. I might go and take the piss out of some people or something like this guy. Absolute dog.
Wholesaling content. That's what he's doing. Oh, sorry, don't want that in the video.
Hey.
I was giving here. Mid-race snack.
That's quite cheeky, that. Yeah, have a little munch.
That's skills.
It's saliva, actually, not skills.
Have you got, what? Oh no, well, it's not sneaky at all. Shit.
Goblet before it starts.
Hey!
Talking about cats.
Yay!
Talking about cats?
Yeah.
What about them?
There's specifically probably not best to mention on the video.
What?
My cat's missing. If you've seen my cat, subscribers.
What does it look like?
Wait, you can digitally stick a photo in your edit. It's fine. It'll be funny.
Hey, well, technically I had a mechanical just over there.
Punch it.
And then, well, it kind of sounded like either the spoke has broken or like the tire was just like going. Even though I crossed the line 3rd here on the finish, I think they're not letting me on the podium, so boo. I don't really care, but I know where I came.
Why have you got a water and she's got a beer, is the question.
I've got cranberry juice. First hydrate.
Vodka and cranberry juice.
Where's the vodka?
And make a fool out of teachers that hated us. Swear she spotted me in the back with my Dutchie tuck. Swing the red and blue, then we said fuck. Why the fuck you gotta hate on us? Must've left my homies with some records in the dust, so I'm saying fuck.
More lens. His lens is bigger than yours. It's the way you use it though, isn't it?
Exactly. This is what you can do with your tiny equipment.
That's Holly's.
On the grass, on the spread. I thought Jake was going to kill me. Hello, Jake. I thought you were going to kill me then.
4th or something? How was your race? Where did you come?
I went too early on the last lap.
Sorry, yeah.
Sat in maybe top 25.
All on the second to last lap, and I was like, I'm going to fucking stick with Ben, see what happens.
I went on the last lap on the outside and then just hit the wind.
Yeah.
Melted.
Vegan cupcake.
Is it vegan?
Second place.
Third
place.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah. I went with this other guy up the road, and then we worked for a bit, and then I was like, he was done, and then we got brought back, and I was like, fuck it, I went straight away again.
Oh, that's mega good. Like out the front, active, and then still getting the sprint.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what racing's about.
Oh mate, I was like, can you believe this used to be my skin suit?
How did you ever fit in that?
Look how tight one. Look how good it is.
When are you going to do a fixed gear race, Lawrence?
He said he's £100, he wants 100 quid.
What?
Said he'll do it for 100 quid.
You do it for 100 quid?
I did say that. He did say that, so we raised the GoFund, like, you know, 100 quid.
Regretting it now.
How much? 100 quid?
Yeah.
So this time next year, if I give you £100, you're going to do it race. That's what you just said, right?
You won't give me £100.
I'll give you £100. I'll give £100. See you with a fixed gear bike.
Yes, up on the pulpit and blesses us with his knowledge. Oh, look at him. Blessed may his soul be. I love everything he does. He's so motherfucking amazing. Look at him get up there. He's about to really.